This is a Lenovo laptop. Today's case study, Lenovo IdeaPad. We connect DC power supply, taking ampere 0.014, and let's on. When we're trying to on this laptop, is not power on. Let's open and check. No power issue. This is a Lenovo laptop, Lenovo IdeaPad. This laptop have a no power issue. There is little bit corrosion of this set, maybe touchpad, water going into the touchpad. This corroded area, we clean this corroded area. Let's check what happened. System on, taking 0.015 amp. Here is a power switch. We switch the laptop, taking ampere, and display also coming. Today's Lenovo laptop case study is simple case study solved. Thank you.